is the strength. The joy of the Lord is the strength. For the joy
Of the Lord is the strength. Take it to see we got the light and day.
living water and the church power. Living water and the church power. For the joy. Kasama mo, kasama.
Apa?
Okay, kaya lang. Wait lang, may example tayo kung paano talaga ang pagkanta ng ano.
Amen!
Teka lang ha. Kung ba't namin nagpapalala sa high